How to clean junk files on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, and you're either going to see battery and device care or storage. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we find our battery, but then we're also going to go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see a lot of different other things like device care. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Mine's 94% used, so what I want to go ahead and do is I can see review installation files. So if I want to delete any of this stuff, all I got to do is click on it, because I don't need installation files anymore. I can go ahead and remove that. Now it also gives me a recycling bin, so I can go ahead and clear anything from that as well. But just any suggestions it gives to clear, go ahead and do that. What I can also do is go back and then go over and clear my cache as well. So what I can do for that is go over back to apps, find whatever app is has cache, click on it, go to storage, and then on the bottom right I'm going to see clear cache, which depending on which app you're using, it could have a lot of cache built up, and then you just want it to go to 0 and you'll be good to go.